Goodwill brings to you the market update dated December 29, 2022. The equity market registered a smart recovery from the day's low point to close near the day's high on December 29 with Nifty around 18,191 points. At close, the Sensex was up 223.60 points or 0.37% at 61,133.88. The BSE Midcap and Small-Cap indices ended on a flat note. On the stock-specific front, Eicher Motors, Bharti Airtel, and SBI were among the biggest Nifty gainers with a change of percent up to 2.17. On the flip side, Apollo Hospitals, Tata Motors, and Titan Company were among the top drags, down up to 1.4%. Among sectors, Nifty Bank and Metal indices gained 1% each, and Energy and PSU Bank indices up 0.5% each. For the development in the corporate segment, we have NTPC on Thursday said a 50-megawatt solar power capacity of Nokra project in Bikaner will begin commercial operation from December 30th. Earlier this month, a 100-megawatt unit of the project started commercial operation. Consequent upon successful commissioning, second part capacity of 50 megawatt out of 300 megawatt Nokra solar PV project at Bikaner, Rajasthan, is declared on commercial operation. With this, standalone installed and commercial capacity of NTPC will become 58,259 megawatt, while the group's capacity will be 70,874 megawatt. Tata Power Renewable Energy, a subsidiary of Tata Power, has received the letter of award from Tata Power Delhi Distribution Ltd, a joint venture of Tata Power and the NCT of Delhi, for setting up a 255 megawatt hybrid, wind and solar, power project in Karnataka. The power generated from the project will be supplied to Tata Power DDL, which supplies electricity to over 7 million in North Delhi. The letter indicates the current capacity bifurcation as 85 megawatt solar and 170 megawatt wind power with the greenshoe option of additional capacity of 85 megawatt solar and 170 megawatt wind. With this win, the total renewables capacity of TPREL reaches 6,048 megawatts with an installed capacity of 3,884 megawatt and 2,164 megawatt under various stages of implementation. Shares of Ashoka Buildcon Limited jumped over 4% on December 29, after the company said it has bagged an order worth 755 rupees crore from Madhya Pradesh Purvkshetra Vidyut Vitaran. ABL had earlier entered into a transaction with KKR to sell 5 BOT projects for 1,340 rupees crore. Out of this, it would use 1,200 rupees crore to provide an exit to SBI Macquarie, which had invested in ACL. Tata Consumer Products Overseas Holdings, a step-down wholly-owned subsidiary of the company through Tata Consumer Products UK Group, has decided to purchase 23.3% of the share capital of Jokels Tea Packers, Republic of South Africa, from its joint venture partners. The above acquisition of the stake by TCP Overseas from the JV partners is for a consideration value of 43.65 rupees crore plus the adjustment amount. India's largest public bank State Bank of India consider approval of raising 10,000 rupees through the issuance of infrastructure bonds. This is the largest single infrastructure bond issued by any bank in the country. The amount raised through bonds will be utilized in enhancing long-term resources for funding infrastructure and affordable housing segment. Neeraj Cement Structure Limited in daily timeframe traded around 34.5 points with a change of 12.75% and with a net volume of around 672.094 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 30.15, which is a good indication for the stock. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.34, which is above the RSI moving average. Spustic Pipe Limited in daily timeframe traded around 102.4 points with a change of 12.34% and with a net volume of around 663.6 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 88.3, which is a good indication for the stock. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 67.02. Fertilizers and Chemical Industry Limited in daily timeframe traded around 355.6 points with a change of 9.96% and with a net volume of around 10.37 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 289.5, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.94, which indicates the overbought region. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.